Hello, what's up? I'm Ignace Aleya from ToleratedCinematics.com, and today I will be talking about the best free screen recorder. Alright, so today we're going to talk about the best free screen recorder that I use, and I need something that is reliable because I make tutorials on a daily basis, so a lot of screen captures there. So that's why I chose OBS, short for Open Broadcast Software, which is actually really good. A lot of streamers actually use it, but you can also use it to capture your screen. So let's take a look on how to install it and how I do my settings on the PC. So let's get to the PC and get started. Alright, here we are on the website for OBS Studio, and you can download their latest releases. They have a version for Windows, Mac, and Linux. I will click on Windows 7 Plus, and then right here we will have our installation. So I actually needed to install the latest version, so yeah, here I go. I'm actually cheating on OBS currently because I'm using another screen recorder to actually record how I use my one screen recorder. So yeah, I'm cheating at the moment, but okay, click yes and go next. I agree, install it. And let's open it up. Alright, once we open up OBS, this is what we'll see. Right here we have scene 1 and our sources. This is our display. I currently use 2 separate monitors, so let's go and check. You can add a lot of cool things right over here. We actually just need our screen to record, so we can go to the properties and check if display 0 okay. We are currently recording this monitor. I also select capture cursor, of course, and then we can go into the settings, go to output right here. I currently use the encoder X264, which I think is very similar to H264, so that's why I'm using this one. Bitrate of 2500, which seems about fine, and then apart from that I kept everything as it was. Then for the recording right here, you can select the path you want to export to. I'm exporting it also in an MP4 file because Premiere is not having issues with that. Originally, I think it was FLV, which Premiere couldn't read. So we have MP4, one audio track with the encoder of H264 right here. I wanted to export in Full HD, so select Full HD. That really depends on the resolution of your screen. So if you have a lower screen resolution, you won't be able to select Full HD. So apart from that, I kept everything as it was as well. In the audio settings, you can go ahead and select your microphone. I'm using the Focusrite USB, so this is an adapter. I'm currently using the microphone from Rode, the NT1A, which is actually a pretty good microphone. So okay, we have this installed. Let's go to video, check your output as well, because you can record in a specific resolution but you can output in a different resolution, so make sure that you have Full HD right here. And I have a 60 FPS frame rate, so this is just how many frames you're going to get each second, so I kept this at the maximum. Actually, for tutorials 30 could work fine as well, so it doesn't really matter that much. In hotkeys, you can install a lot of cool hotkeys to start recording, stop recording. I actually didn't do that. So for start recording, I will select F11, and then to stop recording F12. This is something that I barely use, so that's why I'm choosing these hotkeys. And apart from that, I don't really need any other hotkeys. It's just easy to start recording and stop recording all at once. Then apart from that, you can go in advanced and go through all the settings. I actually didn't look at advanced as I think it's not really necessary for what I do. So I'll click apply and click OK. And then right here, that's all you have to do. So you have to check your microphone if you actually hear your sound. You can click here to actually go to the properties and make sure that this is the microphone that you are using. So make sure that it is installed. You can go ahead and check that. Also make sure that it's not toggled off. And apart from that, you will see your screen right here. You will see your levels of your microphone right here. And if you think you're set, you can just start recording, and it's going to export to the location that you put in the settings, and then you can just go stop recording, go to that folder, and you'll have a file that you can edit. So this is how I use OBS. It's actually a really nice screen recording software. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next one. and goodbye.